Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my favorite iPhone widgets and, in my opinion, the best iPhone widgets and widget apps that you guys can use for iOS 14 customization. Now, my favorite app is definitely this one right here, SubWidget. It just shows the updated number of your subscribers. So if you guys are YouTubers yourselves and you want to know your upgraded subscribers, I'd recommend you guys go download SubWidget. Now, another thing to point out as well is when you guys are watching people's videos on YouTube, you guys can always look for the widget name right under it, because unless they use a special application that I've showed in my previous video to get rid of the name, every widget will have a name. So you guys can see right there, it says SubWidget under mine right there. Now I'll show you guys the application really quick. It's really easy to set up. You just gotta search the channel name, but if the channel is quite small, you could just search by the channel ID, click submit, and it would show the channel right there where it shows mine. And of course, you could choose small or medium, whatever you're looking for the widget size. Then of course, you could change the background color. And then like any other widget, all you have to do is click on edit on your home screen. Click on edit home screen, plus icon in the top left corner, find the application, which will be SubWidget. Then just click on it and then just choose your size, and then you're able to go ahead and add it to your widgets. Really simple. Now, the next application I really like is called Widgy. I'll show you guys what it's all about. It's basically just like a kind of like group where you can make widgets and share them with the community. And as you guys see here, there's some that they've made themselves. And then if you scroll down, you'll find the community widgets. So if here, there's tons of different options. There's ones with batteries. There's ones with weather, more information for your device. Like here, right, for example, this one's about this device. This one will show your iOS version, your storage, your memory, that kind of stuff. It's like that Mac OS Big Sur kind of widget, which is pretty cool. You got like an iPod Nano widget. So as you guys can see, there's tons and tons of different kind of widget styles here, like even terminal. So it's very cool. All you have to do for these widgets is just click on the widget that you're interested in. So let's just say if I wanted this widget right here that shows the calendar, battery, my health app, and as well as the time, I can click on this. And then it's going to tell you that it would like access to your motion and fitness activity. You have to put OK. And then if you would like to edit this, you can go ahead and click edit as a copy. And then here's where you can edit your widget. So you can just go through here and edit if you would like to. This explains exactly how to do it. So you just click on continue. And on here, you guys can just click on the eyes if you want to see what you're editing. So if I click on this eye here, it'll block out that solid so I can see what I'm about to edit. But if you want to change text, you just click on the text. And of course, you can change the sizing, font, color. So it's very customizable. You guys can just dive in yourselves. I can just be here all day editing this particular widget. But once you're done editing it, you just want to back out of it. Then you want to go over to manage, and you'll have a couple spots that you guys can use for free. Obviously, there is a paid version of this application if you guys want to use plenty of spots. But whenever you're done deciding what widget you want, you just want to click on Assign Widget. You just want to tap to assign, and then it shows your widget right here. So this widget I just made, I can go ahead and click on that, and that will assign that widget to that spot. Now, to get this widget on your home screen, you just want to exit out of here. And then you, just like any other widget, you just click on Edit Home Screen, the plus icon, find Widgy, so this will be at the bottom. Click on it, go over to the medium spot, and there you go. So you should find that one in your first medium spot, or whatever spot you put your widget in. Just click on Add Widget, and then that will add the widget to your screen for you. Very simple. And this application does work really great. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get these widgets and how to add them to your home screens. I will have links for both these applications in the description as well as in the comment section down below, so you guys can just go ahead and click on them and add them to yours. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.